Here's a good art attack tip. One of the best ways to teach yourself how to draw faces is to do it in front of a mirror. Just spend some time staring at yourself. Now, look at all the bits on your face, the shapes and where they're positioned. So, OK, let's start with the eyes. Now, they're about halfway between the top of the head and the bottom. Then, look at the shape. Now, if you look closely, they're not round, but your eyes are quite flat, sort of an oval with a pointed end right in the corner. In fact, your eyeball itself doesn't go all the way into the corner. So, OK, let's draw that. Halfway up the head, a flat oval shape with a pointy bit in the corner. Do one there and there, halfway up, and flat oval with a pointy bit in the corner, and the eyeball doesn't go all the way into the corner, like that. So, OK, what about the coloured part of your eyes? Well, it's round and it's darker around the edges with a black circle in the middle, and it's also tucked under your top eyelid a bit. So, OK, here we go. So, round, tucked under the eyelid at the top, and dark around the edges with a black circle in the middle. And here's another tip. Just leave a highlight in the black bit. Then just shade the coloured bit out from the middle. Your eye really comes to life. And do the same with the other eye, and it helps if you keep looking in the mirror. Then just finish it off. Then look closely at the curved shapes of your eyelids and your eyebrows above them and draw them. So just draw the creases of the eyelids, like that, with curved eyebrows above. And the nose has long sides and a bobbly bit on the end with a bobble each side. And do the same for your mouth. Get all those curves and these lines that come out across your lips. And just keep looking in the mirror at all the bits and draw what you see. Put on some shading. And just pick out all the lines on your eyes. More shading. Just really look and draw in all those details that you see. If you keep practicing, getting everything in the right position, you'll soon be drawing perfect faces. Try it yourself. Spend some time looking in the mirror and teach yourself to draw faces.
Oh, what a great art attack tip. Teach yourself faces. Hello. Yes, it's me again, the head. And talking of faces, did you know that the human head contains 22 bones and produces this much spit in one day? Anyway, that is quite enough of that. Hey, I had a go at drawing a face the other day, and I'm very pleased with the result. Do you want to see it? A clock face! It's all in the timing, you know.